All right. So first big question, what does cyber insurance actually cover?
Oh man, that's a great lead-in. So there's kind of two sides of insurance. There's the first party coverage, which is stuff like you know if you have a event or a breach, there's a whole forensic suite that has to happen. I'm sure Dan is familiar with that process. There's crisis management. There's in some cases regulatory notification, and costs that are directly attributed to the business that's affected by the breach. And that's the first party coverage, right? And every policy is going to have different things, business interruptions and option, extra expenses, those sorts of things that affect the business directly. And then there's the third party coverage, which is the if any of your clients or your customers' personal information is stolen and you're liable because the breach happened on your platforms, that's third party where any information that's stolen that creates a liability for you has coverage as well. And I shouldn't say any, but it's kind of in concept, whether it's first party or third party, whether it's a direct cost to the business or it's a liability cost because something bad happened to another person engaged with your business. And so that's kind of at a high level what's included, but there's a number of different smaller coverages. The hot button coverages you want to look for, things like funds transfer fraud, social engineering. You want to look for ransomware coverage. You can find policies that will address all of those things that we're seeing today.